throwing the prototype big axe from High Speed Axis from Jet. It's not finished yet, but we'll see what the prototype do. Bullseye. I'll take it. Bullseye. Half inch outside the bullseye. Bullseye. Little to the left, but still a bullseye. About a half inch lower than what I like. Still a bullseye. Bullseye, but that's a perfect bullseye. So I think 5 out of 6 bullseye, 6 or 7, something like that. Bullseye again. A little to the left, but again, full flush bullseye, just like we like them. Let's do 2 more. I'm getting a little too casual with it, but it's a really good axe. A little low, but still a bullseye. Let's do another one and then we'll take a kill shot. Let's see what happens with it. That's a bullseye again, but how? Oh, yep. A little south of center, still bullseye. So I think we like 8 out of 9 bullseyes, 9 out of 10 or something like that. Let's go up on one. We're gonna go for that top right kill shot. We'll just see what happens. Didn't get it. It's a little outside, right zip code, wrong house. But other than that, with not a lot of practice with this particular axe. 0 practice today. This particular axe. Prototype, and it throws pretty true. Let me try that again, just because. I was not satisfied with that kill shot miss. Okay, so on that one, another bullseye, but let's try to get it to be a perfect bullseye. Then we'll go up for the kill shot one more time. And we'll just see what happens with it. That is a perfect bullseye. So now, the more you throw it, you're getting a little familiar with it, where it rises and falls at. That's a perfect bullseye for IATF Premier League. That was all center. And now let's try one more time. Now that we're getting a little more familiar with the axe, gotta go a little bit higher, a little bit to the left. And that is a perfect kill shot. It ain't all the target. That's really what you want to look at. It is perfectly flush. Beautiful. So that being said, with a little bit of practice, I'm gonna just tell you this is probably one of the best. I hate to see the finished product because this is super, super good. Again, profile's clean, handle is super durable, and I think just the curve right there ergonomically is really comfortable to hold. And the thing I like the most about it is the balance. The balance on it is really, really good. So again, this is a big axe prototype from High Speed Axis from Jet. I like it a lot. And Jed, if you're watching this video, bro, you should let me have this one, man. Let me buy this one off you, bro. Let me get that, man.